Hi! Want to know how to enable or disable one-handed mode on your Samsung Galaxy A25? As the first step, open Settings on your phone and then scroll down until you'll find this tab which is named Advanced Features. Click on it and here we can already see it. To enable the one-handed mode, we would need to click on this slider until it will turn blue. And by clicking on the name of this tab here, we can choose the action with the help of which we will enable it. So we got here gesture and button. I'll choose the button and now let's talk about how to use one-handed mode. So by double tap on the home button, this is it, how the one-handed mode looks. We have a few options to manage this screen. So by clicking on this white arrow, we can move the screen from left to right and from right to left. And also using this white line at the upper part of the small screen, we can move it up or down like this. So this mode is invented so you can easily reach the whole screen with the help of only one hand, and usually people hold their phone like this, so only one thumb. So this mini screen is fully working. You can do whatever you do usually on your phone, but with only one thumb. And to exit the one-handed mode, we would need to tap on any empty place around the screen, just like this, and you are in the normal mode. But if you would like to disable the one-handed mode at all, simply go back to the advanced features and click on this slider. And this is it. I hope this helped and thanks for watching.